If your peace lily plant looks sad or has some damaged parts, don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, look at the plant carefully. If you see any yellow, brown, or wilted leaves, gently cut them off using clean scissors. This helps the plant stay healthy and puts its energy into the good leaves. Next, check the soil. Peace lilies don't like too much water. If the soil feels soggy or smells bad, the roots might be rotting. In that case, take the plant out of the pot, cut off any soft or black roots, and put it into fresh, well-draining soil. Make sure the pot has a hole at the bottom so extra water can drain out. Finally, place your peace lily in a bright spot but not in direct sunlight. Water it only when the top of the soil feels dry. You can also mist the leaves a little to give it extra moisture. With a bit of care, your peace lily will start to grow new, healthy leaves and look beautiful again. Sometimes, the peace lily plant can droop if it's thirsty. If the leaves are hanging down, give it a good drink of water and wait a few hours. You'll be surprised. Many times, it stands right back up. But don't water it every day. Too much water is just as bad as too little. A good rule is to water only when the top part of the soil feels dry. Lastly, talk to your plant or just check on it every few days. Plants might not talk back, but they show signs when they need help, like drooping, changing colors, or growing slower. With love, light, and a little care, your peace lily can live for years and keep making your space calm and green.